I'd like to present an overview of the health sector. And some may be saying, what's the difference between health care and health sector? So let me explain that. As you know, you're enrolled in Management 559, which is health sector management, not care management, not delivery management, but sector management. So let me explain what I mean by a sector. So first, before I go into what a sector is, you have to be able to distinguish between these three: an industry, a market, and a firm. So what's an industry? So an industry is where you have different organizations that sell products and services based upon a particular category. That category could be biotechnology, could be pharmaceuticals, could be medical supplies, could be small group practices. But whenever you hear the term industry, think about sellers. People are selling. And when you think about the term market, think about buyers. So folks within the industry, they sell to customers, could be individuals, could be businesses, and that constitutes the market. And then fundamentally you have the firm. So the firm is the organization. And if you take a look at that slide there, that slide gives you a nice pictorial of an industry level phenomenon. Why? Because it's talking about the GDP. So it's really talking about the space as it relates to those organizations that are selling. So what's a health sector? So a health sector is composed of different industry groups. So let's take a look at different industry groups. There are two big ones within the health sector. So industry group number one are those that manufacture, those that supply, or those that provide both goods and services. That's the first major industry group. Think hospitals. The second is those companies that don't necessarily manufacture, supply, or provide, but they're involved in research and development and production. So think about the life sciences. So it's very important that you understand the difference between health sector and an industry. So industries fall under the health sector. So I said that there were two major industry groups for the health sector. You tell me what's missing. What I'd like you to do is take about a minute and just kind of jot down or type what's missing other than those two. So after you've written it down, let's take a look to see what's missing with regard to the health sector. Health plans. So health plans are insurance companies, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Cigna, Aetna. Sometimes we call these managed care plans. The other are associations, the American Hospital Association, the American Medical Association. Here's the good news. In Chicago, it's one of the largest employers with regard to students who want to work within the association landscape. The second are accreditation bodies, the Joint Commission. And in fact, the Joint Commission is headquartered in the suburb of Chicago, Oak Brook, Illinois. Then you have academic medical centers, Rush, University of Chicago, Northwestern. You have health technology companies, Epic, based in Madison, Wisconsin, Cerner, based in Kansas City, and Sleepio, which is now based in San Francisco, but originated in Scotland. You have consulting firms, Kaufman Hall, which is based in Skokie. You have Accenture, which is right downtown. And medical device companies, Baxter. You also have Stryker. And also complementary alternative medicine. Northwestern has a pretty robust program with regard to integrative medicine. So these are some examples of industry groups that fall under the health sector. This is important for you to know because these may be places where you can actually get a job after you complete the program. Not only that, we have alumni in each one of these industry groups. So hopefully that gave you a nice overview of what is the health sector and why we call this course Management 559 Health Sector Management, not just care.